Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be headed into Walmart. It is October the 9th, 2022. We got 4 Moneymakers at Walmart this week using only our phone. Everything is digital. If you are not already following me on Instagram and Facebook, please do so. That helps me out a ton. Also, there's a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or you can just take your phone in the store. You don't have to write anything down. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my deals are coming up. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started on some deals. The very first thing we're getting is this Fds Spray. This is the feminine care spray located in the pads aisle and the feminine hygiene aisle. What we're going to do is pick up 2 of these at $2.72. Your total is going to be $5.44. You're going to submit your receipt to the coupons app for $1 back on 1, making these $4.44. Then we're going to submit to IBOTTA when we buy 2 at $2.75. Your total price for both of these is going to be $1.69 or about 85 cents each after the coupons.com and the IBOTTA rebate. The next item is the Big Soleil Escape. These are $4.92 each. We have an IBOTTA rebate for $3 back, making each of these just $1.92. But for this one, there is a limit of 3 on IBOTTA. So what I went ahead and did was I picked up 3 packages and I received back $3 each for all of these. So I got back $9 on IBOTTA. To me, this was a stock up price. This is a great price for these, considering we didn't have to use any paper coupons. It was totally a digital coupon deal. So $4.92. Getting back $3 on IBOTTA makes them $1.92 each. So the first moneymaker we have is in the travel section of the hygiene place. It is on this Sensodyne travel toothpaste. These are $1.56 each. We're going to head on over to Shopkicks with the kicks. I did not scan the bigger one. Is equivalent to $2 in the kicks. So that will make this a moneymaker of 44 cents each. I definitely will take this moneymaker because this will pay for some of the other items I have. And submit your receipt to Shopkicks to get back $2 on this travel size toothpaste. So we have the same exact deal, but this is going to be on the Sensodyne Pro Enamel. It's in the travel section right beside the other Sensodyne that we just picked up. These are also $1.56 each. Then we're going to submit to Shopkicks for equivalent of $2 in Shopkicks, making this a moneymaker of 44 cents. So pretty excited about these. I like to put these small toothpaste in blessing bags. Now you can find this Dove bar soap in 2 places, either in the travel section or you can find it below on the bottom shelf where all the other soaps are. These are $1.47 each. You can go ahead and do the scans and the kicks. It works. So that will be 360 scans and kicks when you scan it. That's an equivalent to $1.44. That's going to give us enough that we're only going to pay 3 pennies for this Dove soap. I was really excited about that, and every time Shopkicks has this Dove soap, I'm sure to pick it up because 3 cents for some Dove soap is a really great deal. Again, we're in the travel section, and these Dove body washes are 33 cents each after our Shopkicks. Now, I did not go and get a bigger bottle to do the scan, so I just left off those 10 kicks. You can do that if you want to, but it only works if you scan the big bottle. But these are $1.73 each with the 350 kicks. That's equivalent to $1.40. So with that rebate, it's going to cost just 33 cents for this small bottle of Dove. I thought it was a good deal because this definitely can go in a blessing bag or to take on a trip. Not too bad. Here is our third moneymaker. This is going to be on the Dove Men body wash and face wash. It's like a combination one. These are $1.73 each. I did not go and scan the larger items, so I just took the kicks that were 450 kicks. With the 450 kicks, that's equivalent to $1.80 in kicks. So this is going to be a moneymaker of 7 cents. And if you're curious about how the kicks are equivalent, I just times the kicks times 0.4. And that's how I'm usually able to figure it out. So this is going to be a moneymaker of 7 cents on this Dove Men Care body. Now, this next deal is on the Dove Travel Size Deodorant Spray. I am a teacher and I love to put these in the treasure box. I know that sounds odd, but when you teach children who are 12 and 13 years old, they get excited about things like this. They can stick it in their backpack. So these are $1.97 each. We're going to submit to Shopkicks again for our last moneymaker on Shopkicks. And with the kicks, it's going to be equivalent to $2. Because that $2, this is going to be a 3-cent moneymaker on the Dove Travel Size dry deodorant. Now, this Purex Detergent, this is the large bottle. These are 115 loads. I only paid $4.03 for this, but you may have some paper coupons and can get this even cheaper. I just don't have those paper coupons. So starting off, this really large bottle of Purex, which I needed anyways. We're getting low on detergent in our house. I know you can't believe it, neither can I. These are $8.97 each. There is a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate on these, which you could do up to 5 times. And if you did have paper coupons, it would be great to do this, but I'm going to do it once. And then on Shopkicks with the skins and the kicks, it's equivalent to $3.44. So with that IBOTTA rebate of $1.50 and the Shopkicks rebate of $3.44, this is going to be a total price of $4.03. But like I said, if you do have paper coupons, it will make it even cheaper. I just don't have those paper coupons. So I still think this is a good deal because this is about 60% off of the original price of the Purex. And remember, guys, we're just using our phone for this, for our digital coupons. We're not cutting any paper coupons or buying coupons for this one. So I think this is a great deal. In addition to the large Purex, which is 115 loads, we're also going to pick up the smaller bottle of Purex at 57 loads. And remember, like I said, there are paper coupons out there for the Purex, so look for those. These are $4.97 each. I have a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate on this, and we have Shopkicks scans and kicks. It's equivalent to $2.24. So with that 50-cent IBOTTA rebate and the $2.24 in Shopkicks, our total comes down to $2.23. This is a pretty good deal. It's about 55% or so. So I'm not going to pass this up because we need detergent in our house right now. So with the Swagbucks dryer sheets, we need these as well. And this is a 4-step deal. So remember, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You don't have to write this stuff down. So I would like for you to go and either print it off or just pull it up on your phone in the store so you know exactly what to do. So the very first thing that we're going to do is we're picking up these Swagbucks dryer sheets at $2.97. Now, you can either get a 50-cent coupon printed from the Swagbucks website, or you can get a 50-cent coupon printed off from coupons.com. Or check your coupons app and see if you have the Swagbucks dryer sheets that you can submit on there. I'm not sure, but usually when it's on the coupons.com website, it's on the coupons.com app. So like I said, 50-cent coupon, that will bring it down to $2.47. Then IBOTTA has a 25-cent rebate. You could do this up to 5 times if you wanted to with that 25-cent rebate. Then on Shopkick with scans and kicks, it's equivalent to 84 cents on those. And then with Swagbucks, it is, if you buy either 2 liquids or 2 dryer sheets, it's going to be $1 back. But I only bought 1, so for me that's just 25 cents back. So let's go over that one more time with all the math. It starts off at $2.97. We have this 50-cent coupon, bringing it down to $2.47. We have a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate, an 84-cent Shopkick rebate, and a 25-cent Swagbucks rebate, making these dryer sheets $1.13 each. Now, this is not some super amazing couponing deal, but this Method All-Purpose Spray, we don't get coupons for these, but there is an IBOTTA rebate on this, and I love the grapefruit one, and I love to take this to my school and use it. So the grapefruit one are $4.18 each. You have to pick up 2 of them for this IBOTTA deal. So your total is going to be $8.36. Then when you submit to IBOTTA for $2, when you buy 2, it's going to bring your total down to $6.36, which is going to make each of these $3.18. This is a good deal to me because I love this stuff. Never get coupons for it. It's higher at Target, and I just started seeing these at Walmart. I know there's a lot of deals on the hand soaps and the dish soaps, but I'm not going to even mess with those because the spray is my favorite. So it'll be $3.18 each for these. Thank you so much for staying tuned to the end of the video. We do have a family ministry where we give back, whether we give to the food bank or, people who need blessing bags. I also give to a local high school that needs toiletries. And so when you watch the entire video, it helps to help our ministry as a family to give back to these people. Also, if you have not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys next time when I do my CVS video. And then on Wednesday, I'll be heading into Publix.